My name is Angida Gorrety. I come from Bukedea District, Kamutura Sub-County, Abilape Parish. Before me joining Gudie Leisure Farm, I was just at home. I was just a housewife, taking care of children. I chose to join Gudie Leisure Farm because I wanted to learn some skills so that I can also manage to earn my own living. I got to know about Gudie Leisure Farm through our parish chief and our coordinator. He came to our parish and collected people, told people about it. Then I also joined. My first experience was I found new environment, I got new friends, I learned a lot. I'm in Feedmill department. So far now, I've learned some of the machines we use to make feeds. We have the thresher. That one is used to remove maybe maize seeds from the comb. We have the sorting rack for sorting maize and soya. We have the hammer mill with the huller. That one is used for grinding. We have the feed mixer, which is used for mixing feeds. We have extruder, which is used to make floating feeds for fish. We have the pelletizing machine, which is used for making sinking feeds. Then again, we learn how to roast soybean. Soybean is roasted before it is made as a feed. The type of feeds we produce from here, we make starter feeds for poultry, pigs and fish. Then again, we make broilers for those chicks which have gone maybe 2 weeks. We even make those ones. Apart from feed mill, I've learned again how to be creative and innovative. That is to say, I know how to make reusable pads. I know how to make necklaces. I know how to make bangles. I know how to make key holders and so many other things. When I go back to my district, I'm ready to go and teach my 100 women behind how to be creative, how to start their own living by making bangles, necklaces, reusable pads, so that they don't disturb their men to buy pads. To my district now, I'm ready to go and make feeds so that I supply to the whole district.